Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change size in Canva. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com and it will lead you to a home page of your Canva website, and here on the top right corner, you can see Create a Design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Now after that, if you want to change the size of your Canva project, then here on the top navigation bar you can see this option which says resize and magic switch. Click on it and here you can see different resize options, or you can also custom your size according to your preference. If you click on this, then you can type in the width and the height value here, and after that you can click on continue, and these are the simple and easy steps that you can follow if you want to change size in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.